For the extrude command, assume, as I said, we can extrude it with a vertical angle, or we can extrude it with any given angle. The other one that we have, if I come here and click on the let me draw. If I come here, let's first draw something. So first off, from 0, 0, and then I draw this rectangle here. Now if I come here, click on the extrude and click on the rectangle, and press enter, you will see this direction and the path will be shown. So let me show you how I can extrude it over direction or path. To extrude it, first I will go over the direction. To do that, first I have to create a direction. So I want to create a direction that starts from this point. To draw that, I have to switch to the front view. So basically whatever I'm gonna draw is gonna be on the front view of the object that I'm drawing. So I'm drawing a line, and the line I will start it from the end of that. Let me rotate it a little bit so you can see it. If I rotate it a little bit, so I want to draw a line that starts from the beginning of that rectangle and goes up in this direction, and press enter. Now let me go back to 3D view. So I have that rectangle here, and then I add the path that is gonna be there. Now if I go and click on the extrude and select the rectangle I want to extrude, press enter. This time if I select the direction, it says choose the direction you want to do that. So let me go. So I can use this start of that line and select the end of that line, and it's going to extrude it along that line that I created there. So you will see that it will extrude it like that.